Hi, everyone around you is always talking about cryptocurrency, but you still don't know how to get started. Actually, it's much easier than it seems. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install one of the most popular crypto wallets today, Phantom Wallet, and also how to buy your first cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll also talk about 3 rules that will help you avoid falling victim to scammers and losing money when you start working with cryptocurrency. If you still have any questions, feel free to join my Telegram channel. There, I go into detail about everything related to tracking profitable crypto wallets, as well as copy trading on DX and much more. The link will be in the description below this video. It doesn't matter whether you're already using the Phantom wallet or just planning to start. In this video, you'll find out why this wallet might be the perfect crypto wallet for you, especially if you still haven't made up your mind. Let's go to the phantom.com website, the link will be in the description, and click on download. Choose the browser where you want to install and use your wallet. Then, click on its icon. I'm showing this using Chrome as an example, so I'll select that. In the window that opens, click Add to Chrome and then Install Extension. Next, click Create a new wallet. Now, you'll see 2 registration options. I recommend using the classic option with a seed phrase. Click Create a wallet with a seed phrase. Here, you need to come up with a password and confirm it. Then, check the box to accept the terms of use and click Continue. The seed phrase, or recovery phrase, will appear on the screen. Remember, this is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose it, no one will be able to help you get your money back, and you should never share it with anyone, because it gives full access to your wallet and, accordingly, to the money in it. Write it down on a piece of paper, then save it in a file on a flash drive. It's important to store your phrase on several different media, so that if you lose one, you won't have to dig through the trash for years looking for your millions, like that guy who's still searching for his flash drive with the secret phrase that his wife threw out while cleaning. Check the box, I have saved the recovery phrase, and click Continue. A message saying All Set appears, and we click Start. Now your wallet is in your browser, in the top right corner, and you can launch it by clicking on it. Every time you log in, you'll need to enter your password. Click Unlock. On first launch, you can buy cryptocurrency or transfer one you already have. Not all countries allow you to buy cryptocurrency through the wallet interface. In this case, you can only transfer cryptocurrency to this wallet, but we'll come back to this a bit later. For now, let's get familiar with the wallet interface itself. A little lower, we have 4 buttons, and the first one is Receive. When you click it, 5 networks supported by this wallet are displayed. For those who don't know, there are many different networks in cryptocurrency, and you can't transfer money directly between them. If you try, the funds will simply be lost. So always double check the network before making a transfer. When you click on any of the networks, a QR code will appear, and anyone can easily send you money by scanning it. Below that, you'll also see your own address, which you can copy by pressing this button. You can also copy the address right away at the network selection stage by simply clicking this button for the network you need. Just send this address to the person who wants to transfer money to you, and that's it. Nothing else is required. The next button is Send. With this, you can send funds to other people yourself. When you click it, you'll also see a list of supported networks to choose from. For example, let's choose Solana, ask for the address where you need to send the money, paste it here, and then select the amount you want to send. Next, we have the Swap button. It allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Here, you select which currency you want to swap and what you want to receive in return. Below, you'll see the amount you'll get after the swap and the transaction fee. And the last button is Buy. With it, we can purchase cryptocurrency directly in the wallet. As I mentioned earlier, this feature isn't available in all countries. So, a logical question arises, how can you buy cryptocurrency if you don't have access to this feature? There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to buy on centralized exchanges like Bybit or Binance, and then send the token to your wallet. The second is to use the exchange aggregator BestChange. The easiest option is to buy on an exchange. That's the method we'll look at. For this, I'll be using the Bybit exchange. If you haven't used it yet, you'll need to register first, and then buy cryptocurrency through the built-in P2P exchange. Here, we first filter the search by the amount we want to spend on cryptocurrency, as well as by the payment method that suits us best. Next, choose the best exchange rate. Look for a seller with a high transaction completion rate and plenty of reviews, so you don't fall victim to scammers and lose your money. Click on Buy USDT and enter the amount you want to spend on purchasing cryptocurrency, and then click Purchase. Next, we chat with the seller and transfer rubles using their payment details, and in return, they transfer USDT, the digital dollar, to our account. Then we go to our funding account, where the purchased USDT should have already arrived, and select Withdraw. First, we paste our wallet address. We already know how to do this, but let me remind you anyway. In our wallet, we open, receive, and, for example, in the Solana network, we click here and copy our wallet address where the money will be sent, then paste it into the wallet address field on Bybit. Next, we select the network type. Since we provided our Solana address, we should use the Solana network, abbreviated as SOL. Let me remind you once again that it's very important to use the correct network, because otherwise your money will simply disappear. Enter the amount to transfer in USDT here and click Confirm. If, like me, you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer again. To do this, you'll need to enter a code from your email and from your mobile app. Click Next Step, and the money will be sent to your wallet. After a short while, the USDT will arrive in your wallet, and now you're the proud owner of cryptocurrency and your very own crypto wallet. That's all well and good, but how do you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins now? With the Phantom wallet, it's really simple. For this, we'll use the swap feature we know. In our wallet, click Swap, and in You Pay, select the currency to spend. In our case, that's USDT. And in the You Receive section, first select the Ethereum network, and then choose the ETH coin itself. Enter the amount you want to spend on the purchase. Below, you'll see the equivalent amount in ETH you'll receive, as well as the transaction fee. Confirm the transaction, and Ethereum will appear in your wallet. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of cryptocurrency. You're probably wondering, okay, so how do I make money with this cryptocurrency now? There are many ways. Personally, I prefer to earn a guaranteed profit, rather than trying to guess where the price will go. That's why I use the Defiance platform, which lets you automatically copy the trades of insiders, whales, and professional traders in just a couple of clicks. You'll find the link in the description below the video. Let's get back to crypto wallets and their security. In the digital world, just like anywhere else, there are plenty of people who will try to take your funds for themselves. That's why I'm going to give you 3 key tips to help you avoid getting caught by these kinds of people. First, always double-check the address you're sending your funds to. There are plenty of bots and scripts out there that can swap out the wallet address you're trying to send to. Even experienced and wealthy people have lost huge amounts of money simply because they didn't carefully check the address. Second, don't connect your wallet to unknown or suspicious platforms, especially those promoted by questionable bloggers. If you sign a transaction to connect your wallet on such a site, you risk losing all your money. Third, don't open NFTs that have been sent to you, and never follow any links provided in them. On Phantom Wallet, it's common for people to send you worthless NFTs containing ads for phishing sites, or claiming you've won a giveaway and need to follow a link, which again leads to a phishing site. There have even been cases where fake summons to appear at the police station for alleged tax evasion were sent this way. And most importantly, never share your seed phrase with anyone, no matter who they claim to be. Follow these simple rules, and your funds will be safer and your life more peaceful. Today, we've covered the basic skills for working with cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let us know in the comments which wallet you personally use and why. And in the next video, I'll show you how, instead of spending hours analyzing all those charts and studying hundreds of patterns, you can quickly find the profitable wallets of insiders and professional traders and simply follow their lead. But for now, I'm signing off. See you all next time.